What's up, y'all? Hope you guys are doing really well and you guys are enjoying this extra 3-day weekend. So, today we're going to talk about a very important concept that is holding a lot of people back. And if you're in a major plateau after making some progress starting your trading journey initially, then this video will be super important for you. So, people often don't know why they hit this plateau. However, it's often due to their initial why. So most people get into trading because they want to avoid paid pain. So avoiding pain is their main motivation, right? So they want to get away from their 9-to-5 job. They want to have more flexibility and freedom. They want to hang out with their family, friends, loved ones more. They don't want to feel broke, etc. So this pushes them to start trading and to make progress, like learning basic technicals, basics, maybe taking a course here and there, entering different discords. However, there's a very big fault in this. It's that their main driver comes from lessening pain. So when that pain is more tolerable, so they lessen it a little bit more, they don't have that much more drive, right? So let's say they make some profit in trading, they make a couple $100 per month trading, their life becomes easier. Then they stop becoming motivated to do progress, they stop journaling, they stop learning, and they start plateauing. That's because they don't have a really big conviction. So if you want to take it to the next level, you're going to have to become even more convicted. So that comes from not only feeling disgusted from your previous pain, however, that comes from being invigorated and full of energy and creating drive momentum forward by being inspired to trade. So let's go into these 3 things that can do that. So the first thing is aligning your values. So really expressing who you are. So we're going to have fun with it today. Let's say that's you. Okay. So that's actually you. And this is who you think you want to become. Got someone with a little afro right here, huh? A little cool guy. Give him some little shades. Okay. So that's who you think you want to become. So let's say they all like lots of money, they're cool, flaunting their wealth, etc. Or anything else that you think could be achieved by trading. A little house. However, these superficial things may cause you to break away from your values. So let's say you love being social, you love talking to other people. However, you take a course that makes you scalp day trade all day, so you're barely seeing other people. Or let's say you love freedom. However, you're looking at the charts, constantly researching news like 14 to 16 hours a day. That's not freedom. So really try to incorporate what you would really want to have as your dream life, right? So not that. So what you think you want could not be what you really want. So we'll draw someone else with a different hairstyle. A little happy guy, huh? This guy's not happy. Okay. So this comes from learning different styles, right? So maybe you could learn how to swing trade on longer time frames, or instead of constantly looking for momentum breakouts, you learn how to trade higher time frame key resistance and support levels, and learning how to capture the long-term movements as opposed to the short-term price fluctuations. So really cultivate what you truly value so that you can align your beliefs with trading to really make you fulfilled. Okay, and the next one is what makes you excited about trading. So what makes you come back for more? Okay, so let's say you're pretty decent at investing in longer term stocks, holding them for months and years. However, that makes you super bored. So you can try to learn various things. Let's say you're really good at making and structuring things. You can learn how to code algorithms. So we got a little robot for there, huh? With a cowboy hat. A little R for robot. Okay, you can learn how to code. You can learn with different markets like Forex, crypto, futures. Wow, really looks like a C. That's okay. And you can learn different things too. Let's say for some reason you really love to read the financials, okay? Those little books. You could really learn how to get better at reading those in depth. And for even the boring tasks or the tasks that seem to be perceived as not that interesting, like journaling, which will be super crucial for developing the best strategy that you can make, instead of trying to see it as like a mandatory chore, you can come at it from like a Sherlock Holmes kind of method, right? So you're trying to uncover the different gems within your experience the past week trading, and you're trying to uncover what works and what doesn't and what could apply to the future too, along with holding different experiences back in your tool bag so that just in case there's a similar market that happens again, you can pull it out of your tool bag and journal, and then you can adapt that to the current timeline. So you can incorporate what really excites you, and you don't have to trade real money. You can use paper trading, which will allow you to use simulated money so that you can experiment with things that makes you excited, and then you can have your go-to method of making profits. And then once you're ready, you can transfer the stuff that makes you excited onto real money to simulate and to create different strategies too. And the very last thing that you can do to take you to the next level is to do trading in a way that fulfills you. So there are lots of ways to do this. You can do it by learning how to become the best you. So got a little sun action going on, huh? Just to represent your best self, the most bright, shining version of yourself. You got maybe donating to different charities, okay? The little happy kids, or donating to drinking water where they don't really have clean water. Maybe donating to the creative field for different people who are underprivileged, they're unable to pursue their creative arts, different things. Maybe creating your own trust fund for your family, so generations upon generations, your kids, maybe traveling to like Peru or something, traveling to all the different destinations across the world because you're a big adventurer. So really just anything that drives you on a deeper level as opposed to making money. Really be specific about what that money can achieve for you. So it doesn't really have to be a lot. However, if you're able to expand upon your dream, in which it can impact others beyond yourself, whether that be close loved ones or even strangers across the world, such as eventually teaching others how to trade so that they can achieve their own freedom and to achieve their own dreams, similarly to how trading could do that for you. So, hope this is helpful. Really find what excites you, what fulfills you, what aligns your values and draws you closer to who you are destined to be, because trading can be seen as a very superficial and vain game. However, if you see it in that way, trading is just something you do. It's just like a regular job, like a regular 9-to-5 job. Instead, if you allow trading to become an expression of who you truly are, as how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? You can take yourself to the next level, because by being your best self, this brings out your best trading. So I hope these 3 tips help, and talk to you guys next time.